Hello students, today we are going to learn science subject semester 2 lesson number first flowers, fruit and seeds. Before start the lesson, can you give me answer? Yes. Tell me first which is the most bright and colorful part of the plants. Once again I am asking you, which is the most bright and colorful part of the plants? Yes. Is it flowers? Correct. And second question is there. Which part of the plant we love to eat? Yes. Anyone tell me? Yes. Fruits. Correct. It is a fruits. See, in this lesson, they are given to here different types of the pictures. First picture is there marigold flowers. This is color is yellow. Second, dahlia. This is a pink color. Then hibiscus, lily and rose. The most plant have different colors of flowers. Yes, the most plant have different colors of flowers. Not it a same color. So different plant have different kinds of flowers. The different kinds of flowers and also their shape is different, size is different and color also different. Some flowers have a sweet smell. You know, some flowers have a sweet smell. Its smell is very nice. Yes. Now we study how to grow a flowers. The flowers grow from birds. See here the picture they are showing. The first is here birds, then it's grow and afterward become in a flower. Yes. When a bud is formed, it is very small. In a few days, it grows into a flower. Petals of flower are either brightly colored or white. It's a petals of the flowers either color bright or white. Then after when that is grow into the flower, that became a color is yes different in color. Okay. Now we study flowers and seasons. The most plants flower in a certain season. The laburnum trees flowers in summer and lilies flower mostly in a rainy season and marigold plants flower at the end of rainy season. Some plants such as a hibiscus flower throughout the year. See, the most of the plants of flowers that is grow in a different season. The first see the most plants flower in the certain seasons. The laburnum trees flowers in summer. The lilies flower mostly in rainy season and marigold plants flower at end of the rainy season. So and hibiscus that flower throughout the year. It is a grow all year that grow. Why do plants have flowers? The plant have flowers because the flowers from fruits, insects such as butterflies and bees have flowers of some plants from fruits. The plants have flowers because the flowers from fruits. Insects such as butterflies and bees have flowers to some plant from fruits. All fruits are not fleshy. Plants like peas, beans and gram have fruits that are dry, thin and long and have seeds inside in a single line. That in a single line, that is the seeds. Now see what is the inside of the fruit. What is the inside of the fruit? Yes, You guess it? Yes. Seeds, correct. This answer is correct. Inside of the fruit is the seeds. Most fruits have a seeds. The fruits protect the seeds. A mango has only one seed, while chili and watermelon have many seeds. Some varieties of grapes do not have any seeds. See, different type of fruits. There have some fruits have only one seed, and many of the types of the fruits there have many seeds, and some fruits have no seeds. So that is the type of, like the mango, then dates have only one seed, and watermelon, chili, then papaya, apple, that have many seeds, and grapes have, some types of grapes have no seeds, and some type of grapes have one seeds. Okay, yes. In this picture they are showing here mango have only one seed, papaya have many seeds, apple have one and two, and watermelon have also many seeds. Yes na? Yes. So today we take one pledge. That pledge is, fresh fruits are full of vitamins and minerals. Many of them have a lot of fiber too. I promise to eat fruits regularly. Do you also? Yes, do you also? Do you also eat regularly at least one fruit? Okay? Yes. See, now one practical is there. Soak a few bean seeds in water for a few hours. Remove the outer seed coat and separate the two halves of a seed. Observe the two halves. You will find a baby plant attached to the two halves of the seed. Yes, you take any bean seed and keep inside of water a few hours. After remove outer the seeds coat and separate it in the two halves of a seed. Observe the two halves. You will find a little baby plant attached to the two halves to the seed. See, like this, like baby plants. Yes, this like. Okay. Many of sprout, mother is making sprout na. That sprout also have a little baby plants. Okay. Why do plants produce seeds? Plants produce seeds because seeds grow into new plants of the same kind. A seed has a baby plant inside it. A seed can grow into a new plant if it reaches the soil and gets the enough water and warmth. What is the seed need to grow into a plant? Yes, the seed need soil, enough water and warmth. Okay? Yes. Here they are showing the picture. What is this? Yes, the seeds. What is this? Seeds. And this is a flowers. This is a bud, and this is a baby plant. Once again I repeat it. This is a seeds. This is a flower. This is a buds, and this is a baby plants. Okay? Do you understand? Yes. Once again recall, most plants have a flowers. Flowers differ in size, shape and color. A flower grows from a bud. Most plants flower in a certain season. Flowers from fruits. One or more seeds are from in a fruit. A seed can give rise a new plant of the same kind. Okay? Do you understand this lesson? Yes. Okay? Thank you.